What's up guys, this is Navee and you're watching Navee's View. I just got my hands on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. And I'm so excited because I know that this device is going to be the best device of this year. So starting with design impression. It's not like the last year model like Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. This time the both devices are completely different when it comes to the looks, design and feel. Note 20 Ultra is world's first phone with Gorilla Glass 7 on the front and back both sides. The overall design is much better than Note 20. And it comes with the most beautiful camera design bump as well. It looks so awesome. It color rings in the camera bump. My favorite one is Mystic Bronze. The best thing, it comes with matte finish. So bye bye to fingerprints and I don't need to clean my phone again and again. And on other side, Note 20 is coming with plastic back. It's not even a glassic back like A series. It's a plastic back with matte finish. Why Samsung took this decision, I will tell you in next video. If we will talk about the size, the Note 20 is 6.7 inch and Note 20 Ultra 6.9 inch. When it comes to the front display, Ultra version is way better than Note 20. It comes with LTPO QHD plus resolution with 120Hz adaptive display. The punch hole is much smaller and bezel also much smaller. The phone is more bezel-less than any other Samsung smartphone. On the other hand, Note 20 is 6.7 inch coming with Full HD plus 60Hz display. This is the best from the Samsung 1080p panel which they ever made, and it's flat display. So people who prefer flat screen, for them this is the best phone. And if we will talk about the processor, as you already know that some countries like US, Canada, China and Korea going to get the 865 plus Snapdragon. And for other countries we will get the Exynos 990. Now we will talk about the prices. In 4G Note 20, 256GB with 8GB of RAM available in $1,000. And in 5G version you will get in $1,100. And Note 20 Ultra with 4G 256GB 8GB of RAM starting price is $1,232. And the higher one on the 5G with 512GB 12GB of RAM you will get around $1,440. Now we have One UI 2.5 on board. It look like same One UI 2.1. But there are some new cool features which Samsung adds, like wireless DeX capability. So now you can connect your mobile on DeX mode wirelessly. And for fast data transfer we have UWB ultra wideband fast transfer technology only with Note 20 Ultra model. So you can transfer your data seamlessly without any problem. And Note 20 Ultra will be the first phone in the world to feature special optimization for Microsoft Project xCloud game streaming service. So you can play up to 90 Xbox gaming title via Xbox Game Pass. But for that you need to pair with Note 20 Ultra with a Bluetooth enabled Xbox controller. And the best thing is about that, without having a Xbox console, you can play more than 100 quality video games on your TV as well. The next thing is S Pen improvement. Latency of S Pen has been increased. Note 10 had latency of 42 milliseconds, but on Note 20 Ultra we have 9 milliseconds. So it's a drastic improvement and it feels like you are actually writing on a paper. And notes are synced with Microsoft on Note. And Note also gained the ability to annotate the PDF and match up audio recording with your notes and offer full management. And finally now you will get 3 years of software update with Note 20 lineup. Same like Google Pixel lineup, which is very good for the Note 20 users. Plus you are getting here UFS 3.1, which is 3 times faster than the previous UFS 3.0. Plus you can record the 21.9 aspect ratio video recording on normal and 8K high resolution on both, which is very good for the filmmakers, so they can record the more cinematic views with Note 20 Ultra. Triple camera setup, 108 megapixel 50x zoom with 5x optical zoom, 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage. And in Note 20 we are getting triple camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera, 64 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Both can record 8K videos. On front, on both models we have 10 megapixel selfie camera that can record 4K video up to 60 frames per second. If we will talk about the batteries, on Ultra 4500 mAh and on Note 20 4300 mAh. Not a huge difference in both phones. So all in all, in my first impression, I have to say I am really impressed with Note 20 Ultra design and features. But let me know your thoughts below in comments regarding Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Be sure to subscribe for all latest gadget coverage. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.